Hello, this is Peter from First Maths, and today we are looking at Year 2, Block 3 Assessment, answers after each question. We start with our mental maths questions. The first 4 questions in this assessment are to be given orally to the whole class or group. Question 1. Write the matching number for number 7. Pause the video until you're ready to see the answers. Here comes the answer. The answer is 7. Question 2. Write the number that comes next. 19, what comes after 19? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 20. Question 3. Write the number that comes before 15. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 14. Question 4. How many tens in 47? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 4. Here's the written test. Question 5. Join each sum to the correct total. So you have to add 6 plus 4 plus 2 and see what it makes, and join it up to the right total. Are you ready? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is this. Let's look at the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 6. Join each number to the matching label. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is this. Let's look at the next question. Question 7. Write how many sides. Look at the 2 shapes and count their sides. How many sides do they each have? Pause the video until you're ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is this. 5 and 6. Let's look at the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 8. Match each solid to the shape of its faces. Some have more than one kind. Triangular, rectangular, or circular. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is this. The cuboid has only rectangular faces. The cylinder has rectangular and circular faces. A pyramid has triangular and rectangular faces, and the cone has just circular. Let's look at the next question. Question 9. Find the difference between the numbers in each pair. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are this. Let's look at the next question. Here comes the next question. Pause the video if you need to write down these numbers. Pause the video. Let's look at the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 10. Some of the numbers on part of 100 square are missing. Write them in. Pause the video until you are ready for question 11. Or the answers to question 10, sorry. Here come the answers. The answers are this. You might want to pause the video again, to check all your answers before the next question. Here comes the next question. The next question is this. Question 11. Add these to 23 plus 14 equals what? Show how you did it. Pause the video until you are ready for the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 37, and you get a point for any written strategy. Let's look at the next question. Question 12. Percy Penguin will only eat fish with odd numbers on them. Write the numbers on his tummy. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 17, 23, 11 and 19. Let's look at the next question. Question 13. This counting machine adds 50 to any number. Write the number that comes out of the machine. 47 plus 50 is what? What number will come out if 23 goes in? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answers are 47 goes in, 97 comes out. If 23 goes in, 73 comes out. Let's look at the next question. Question 14. Use the numbers in the addition sentence to make a subtraction sentence. 16 plus 12 equals 28. So something subtract something something will make the answers. You have to use the same numbers that are in the top question. Pause the video until you are ready for the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 16 plus 12 equals 28. So you could have written 28 subtract 16 equals 12, or you could have written 28 subtract 12 equals 16. Let's look at the next question. Question 15. Match the stars that total 10. Colour 2 stars with a difference of 5. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 9 and 1, 10 and 0, 8 and 2, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, and 7 and 3. Stars of the same colour have a difference of 5. Let's look at the next question. Question 16. How many milliliters of water are in the jug? Pause the video and write down your answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 400 milliliters. Question 17a. I am a 2D shape. I have 3 sides and 3 corners. I am a what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is triangle. Woo! Let's look at the next question. 17b. I am a 3D shape. I have 2 square faces and 4 rectangular faces. I am a what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is I'm a cuboid. Of course I am. Let's look at the next question. Question 17c. Draw a 2D shape that has more than 4 sides but less than 7 and name your shape. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is pentagon or hexagon. Your shapes could have been wild and wacky, and as long as they had 5 sides or 6 sides, that's what gets the answer. Let's look at the next question. Question 18. Put these numbers into the function machines. What numbers come out? Now this time you have to put all 4 numbers in at the top, the 8, the 14, the 4 and the 12, and double each of them. And then you have to put the 8, 14, 4 and 12 into each and halve each of them. Okay? So you should have 8 answers at the end. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 8 doubled is 16, 14 doubled is 28, 4 doubled is 8, and 12 doubled is 24. And then when it comes to halving, half of 8 is 4, half of 14 is 7, half of 4 is 2, half of 12 is 6. Let's look at the next question. Question 19. Fill in the missing numbers. How many 10s in 70? 5 multiplied by 2 is what? 10 lots of 5 is what? 4 times 5 is what? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are here. There are 7 10s in 70. 5 multiplied by 2 is 10. 10 lots of 5 is 50. 4 times 5 is 20. Let's look at the next question. Here comes the next question. Question 20. Peter bought 3 ice creams at 15 pence each. Draw the change he would get from 50 pence. And the answer are there, so pause the video until you are ready to see the answer. Here comes the answer. The answer is 5p. Question 21a. Class 2 went on a trip to a fair. This is what it costs for some of the rides. Going on a bus, 35p. Going on a boat, 20p. Train, 45p. Bike, motorbike, 50p. And a horse ride, £1. Sally went on a ride on the train and the boat. How much did she spend altogether? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answer is 65p. Let's look at the next question. Question 21b. Joe paid for a ride on a bus with 3 coins. Draw the coins he used. Pause the video till you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 20p, 10p and 5p. Let's look at the next question. Question 21c. How much would it cost to go on all of the rides? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here comes the answers. The answers are £2.50. Let's look at the next question. Question 22. Fill in the missing numbers. 3, 6, something, 12, something, something, 21, 24, something. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27. Let's look at the next question. Question 23. Draw a line from the numbers to the correct box or boxes. Is it a multiple of 10, multiple of 2, multiple of 5? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. And so each of these are the number properties for the 5 numbers: 50, 45, 36, 70 and 32. Pause the video and write down your answers. Here come the answers. The answers are here. 45 is a multiple of 5. 36 is a multiple of 2. 70 is a multiple of 10, multiple of 2, and multiple of 5. While 32 is a multiple of 2. Pause the video to check your answers. Here comes the next question. Question 24. Write a number on each blank card so that the numbers are in order. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are any number between 75 and 95 in the first two boxes. Any number between 96 and 105 in the last box. Let's look at the next question. Here's the next question. Question 25. Match these numbers to the nearest 10. It's going from 48 rounds up to 50. What does 69 round up to the nearest 10? 89, what's its nearest 10? And 57, what is its nearest 10? Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 48 rounds to 50, 69 rounds to 70, 57 rounds to 60, 89 rounds to 90. Question 26. Write the missing number. 32 plus 19 equals what? Show how you worked it out. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are 51. And how you worked it out, you would have to explain to your teacher. Question 27. Draw a line of symmetry on this flower. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are any line is correct. Question 28. Use numbers 1 to 5 in the circles so that the difference between each pair of joined numbers is more than 1. Pause the video until you are ready to see the answers. Here come the answers. The answers are... An example is 1, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 5, 2, 4, 1, 3. There are many other answers. Click on more of my videos to see more of my work. By simply clicking on the middle button, you can subscribe to my channel. You will be one of the first to know when I have uploaded new math resources. Every one of my maths resources is designed to make maths teaching easier and more fun. To explore more of my First Maths channel, please click on one of the 2 videos here. Have fun and love maths. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye!